Okay, so these are some exercises for the serratus anterior muscle. Remember, the serratus anterior muscle actually sits on the front of our shoulder blade, and it's in charge of protracting, so bringing our whole shoulder blade and everything forward, and it also is involved in upward rotation of the scapula. So we're going to go through a few exercises here, a few progressions of them. We're going to start with the serratus plank or serratus push-up. So we'll get like a plank position, we can just hold that, or we can also add the push-up part to it, so I'll kind of demonstrate through. I am going to put a band at essentially my wrist here, at the ends of my wrist, to kind of help hold external rotation and help hold good scapular stabilization, good scapular posture as I perform this exercise as well. If you are finding that it is too difficult to hold the band near your wrist, we can shorten the momentum or the lever arm and just help our physics equation by making it a little bit shorter, and it'll be much easier to hold as you work your way closer to the elbow, and more difficult to hold as you work your way closer to the wrist. So I'm going to hold it at the wrist. I'm in about a 90 elbow bent position. My elbows are kind of right under my shoulders, maybe a little bit lower. And I'm going to come stick to the wall. I'm going to take a small step out just so I have a nice straight line. I'm going to pull myself forward, and I'm actively pushing myself away from the wall. Pull myself forward, push myself away from the wall. I should feel that protraction and upward rotation of my shoulder blade. Again, I let myself come in, protract, push, and feel that shoulder blade start to swing up and around towards the front of my body. If I want to progress it, I can of course add gravity as a point of difficulty. So I can get in either a push-up or a plank position. Let's say I'm doing a push-up position here. Protract, slowly pull down, protract, slowly feel down. Again, we want to think about making the shoulder blade push, actively push forward. If I want to do it in a plank position, sink in, push, protract away, push, protract away. If I really want to take it to the next step, I can add some unilateral work in, so I can get in like a bear crawl type position here. Take one arm, swing on out. If I need, I can hopefully do this without having to hold on, but if I need, I can give myself a little bit of assistance or feedback here. Sink in, push away with that left arm. Sink in, push away with that left arm. I'll do the right so you can see the arm. So I'm in this bear crawl-like position.